it do, YouTube? It's your girl Chatty Shay, and I'm back with another video for you guys. So first of all, y'all, let's talk about the skin, because baby, the skin is glowing, and this is only my skincare regimen, and I'm not doing nothing else to my face. I'm just letting my face do whatever it wants to do, and I'm applying my skincare routine, okay? And baby, it look good because it's looking good. But anyway, you guys, so this is my weekly vlog. I actually started vlogging like 3 days ago. And I know last time I said I was going to insert them other clips, but I didn't. So I'm going to be inserting new clips in this video. So y'all bear with me because this video was kind of like all over the place. Once again, if you know your girl, you know your girl. You know the videos be all over the place, but they be giving. So anyway, y'all, I'm getting ready to go help my homegirl out today. I don't know when this video is going to drop. However, I wanted to put on some clothes. So I got dressed, y'all. So I put on like a brown bodysuit. You can't see my sneakers. Them little tan Steve Madden sneakers that look like this. And I'm going. So let me get y'all a to-do list, because we are actually doing more than one thing today. So to-do list is here. We are going to help a friend. Then we're going on a meaningful walk, because if you know your girl is in school. This is my last week of my walking class, so I have to do a timed 1 mile walk. So we have to go to a specific location. So we're going to go to that location. So we're going to be walking. Okay, after we finish walking, I feel like I need to do something else, y'all. But I'm not sure. You know how like it's in your head to do something, but you don't know what it is. Oh, we're going to get a smoothie or Starbucks. Hold on. Starbucks should be number one, because I feel like I'm going to Starbucks now. So scratch that list. Starbucks, help a friend, meaningful walk. Okay, that is the schedule for today. So after I accomplish those things, then I'm gonna throw in the agendas for the other videos behind this one, if that makes sense. Okay, but anyway, y'all, I love y'all, love y'all so deep. We are growing. We are growing. We are growing, y'all. Anyway, let's get on this roll, because we are going to Starbucks. Alright, y'all, so we pulling up to Starbucks. Let's see what this line giving, because Starbucks be jumping. So let's see what this line. Oh, child, look at the line. Look at the line. Y'all, we're going to be here for a while. We're going to be here for a while. Alright, y'all, so we gonna order something for my homegirl too, because she probably will want a Starbucks drink.
I'm welcome to Starbucks. What can I get for you today?
How you doing? Can I do 2 tall strawberry acai refreshers, lemonade base, with 3 pumps of liquid cane?
Of course, and what else can I get for you?
And can I do the potato, cheddar, and chive bakes?
Let me double check to make sure we have this for you today.
Okay, thank you. Y'all, listen, I'm going to be doing a Dollar Tree haul. Stay tuned, because Dollar Tree is on the freaking come up. Y'all, this just came from Dollar Tree. Look. Bomb, y'all. So freaking bomb. Stay tuned, y'all. We're gonna be doing a Dollar Tree haul, y'all.
So unfortunately, it looks like we are currently all out of those today. I'm sorry about that.
Okay. Can I do, let me see. Oh man. Okay, can I do the bacon, Gouda, and egg sandwich? That's the second best. Sandwich? I don't think that's total right, y'all, because one of them drinks is $5. So if I got 2 drinks, that's $2. I mean, that's $10, and then the sandwich is like $5. That's like $15. He said 11 something. Did he give me a discount because they ain't had an egg, the bacon bite, the potato bites? Did I get a discount because they ain't had a potato bites? Alright, y'all, let me know if y'all feeling my hair. Like, sometimes I feel it, sometimes I don't. This is crochet. What is called? The boho, whatever. Anyway, y'all let me know if y'all like this, okay? Okay, y'all, so we back. So we gotta add some on our to-do list, and that's to go to Walmart and buy a laptop for school. Okay, I've been putting off buying a laptop for school because I already have a laptop, but it runs extremely slow. But last night it pissed me off so much I almost threw it. So we are going to buy a laptop for school. So I would say drop your laptop recommendations, but this video gonna already be posted. So let me go on TikTok and see what's the best laptop for school. Okay, y'all, so we back, and let me tell y'all, Starbucks did mess up the order, but anyway, they got it right, and I ended up getting my drink. This is the best drink in the world, y'all. This is a strawberry acai refresher, lemonade based. I usually get like 5 pumps of liquid cane because 5 pumps really is like 2 pumps. However, my friend don't like a lot of sugar in her drink, so I only did the 2 pumps. But baby, this is crack. This is crack. Anyway, y'all, we waiting on her, y'all. She's sitting in another car. Oh, y'all, this is so good. And I got her drink too, y'all. So we're gonna get her reaction. As y'all can see, we are buckled up because it is freezing out here today. But we're getting this meaningful walk done for the class. This is our last week of walking class. Yay! Yay! All right, y'all. So gonna continue on with my meaningful walk, and we'll be back. All right, y'all. So I'm on my 1 mile walk, and I see this house over here. Can y'all see this house over here? It got a Ghostbuster sign in well, a Ghostbuster flag on the outside. Like, can y'all see the flag was just blowing, and you could see it really, really good, but like you can't see it. The wind gotta blow again, y'all. But it got a Ghostbuster flag, so I'm wondering, do they catch ghosts for a living? Is this somebody that we could hire? Like, oh my, like, let me see. Y'all, I'm gonna try to get closer so y'all can see it. Hold on. Let's see. Oh wait, it looks like it's gonna get ready to hang. Hold on, y'all. Is it hanging? Let me catch this angle. Oh, look, y'all, it's hanging. Y'all, look at the Ghostbusters flag. Oh my stinking God, y'all see? It's a Ghostbusters flag, y'all. Y'all, let's walk by the house. We're gonna walk by the house. Let me zoom out. We're gonna walk by the house. Dude, should I go knock on the door and be like, is y'all the Ghostbusters people? I should go knock on the door. Oh my God, y'all, look at the flag. That is really the Ghostbusters flag. I've never seen that in my life. Never. Never seen that in my life, you guys. Okay, y'all, I don't know if I'm gonna be recording this house, but y'all, they got the Ghostbusters sign. Like, let me get a better angle for y'all. Oh my God, like, look, it's a Ghostbusters. Oh my gosh. Oh my God. Okay, y'all, so we are back, and the meaningful walk went great. I showed y'all the Ghostbusters house. So now we're on the way to Walmart, y'all, so I can get a laptop for school. So stay tuned. You want to say hi to the vlog? Yeah, I might do it right here. Let me let y'all look quick. Back. Y'all, this is my sister. Y'all, we bought a laptop, y'all.
She don't need it.
And we also doing some shopping. Look, y'all. This is so stinking cute. Yeah, we're buying this, okay? We're going to be back. Okay. So we are out of Walmart, and I'm just going to end this vlog because I still have clips that I have to insert from the previous days. So stay tuned for the additional clips. What to do, YouTube? It's your girl Chatty Shay, and I'm back with another video for you guys. So y'all, I'm currently recording on my phone, and I'm getting ready to go out to eat. Can we do a to-do list? All right, first of all, I hope y'all having a great Black History Month, okay? Second of all, let's do a to-do list real quick. Go to get food. Go to get food. Y'all, that's what's on our to-do list, is to go get some food right now, y'all. Y'all, I put some crochet in my head. Comment down below if you feeling it. Period. Anyway, y'all, so let's go get some food. Not quite sure where we are going as of yet, but let's go get some food. I'm gonna come back to y'all when we in whatever establishment we're going to. Bye, y'all.
I'm also waiting on the steak sauce. Can I get a fork? Let me see some of that.
It's your girl Shay. I'm back from dinner, as y'all could see. So we're going to continue with this vlog on tomorrow, which is going to be day 2. So see y'all soon. Thanks for watching. Bye.